This is a document from Ami Pro, a word processor from the early 90s. Lotus Word Pro, or older versions of Microsoft Word, can sometimes convert it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert the text. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for SAM file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. The structure of a SAM is primarily defined as a component of the document file standard. Its core functionality is built upon the Ami Pro document system. The SAM file extension is associated with two distinct software applications, Ami Pro and Samplitude. In the context of Ami Pro, a word processor, SAM files store document data, including text formatting, images, and layout information. For Samplitude, a digital audio workstation, DOW, .sam files contain project data, audio tracks, and mixing settings. Ami Pro SAM files utilize a proprietary binary format, making them accessible primarily through Ami Pro itself or compatible word processors. Samplitude. SAM files also employ a proprietary format designed to efficiently store and manage complex audio project data. These files are typically not directly editable in standard text or hex editors. The source application for SAM is frequently listed as Ami Pro and Samplitude from Lotus Development Corporation and Magix. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the SAM file and choose Open With. Use Ami Pro and Samplitude if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If you cannot access the SAM file, no problem. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, use Scribus. If a document, open the file using Scribus, a desktop publishing program. Next, open as text. If the file is a plain data file, open the SAM file using a text editor, Notepad, to view the content. Finally, check for corruption. If the file crashes Scribus, check for an automatically generated .sam back file in the same directory and try opening the backup. If the file remains stubbornly locked, it's definitive proof that a proprietary logic-based tool is necessary. The Universal Viewer is specifically designed to try and resolve SAM issues like this. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized Universal Viewer you need. It handles any SAM format, available at filemagick.com. I'm grateful you chose to watch this tutorial. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.